Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to earn Nuggmi or Nuggets tokens step by step and also share my live withdrawal proof at the end. First, register on the platform using the link in the description and login. You will receive a 1000 Nuggmi token bonus from here. Now, to start earning, go to mining section. Scroll down and buy the stone clever mining tool using your 1000 bonus tokens. Once you buy it, your mining will start automatically from here. You can collect your mining rewards every 24 hours from here. See there, click on collect. Okay, in this way you can collect your mining rewards every 24 hours. Now go to chest rewards. You can claim this once per a day. Inside the chest you can win Nuggmi tokens, mining tools, global elixir. Just click on start. See there, I won 25 nuggets. So if you win tokens, they are added to your balance. If you win mining tools, your mining power increases and you earn more. For example, I have already won multiple mining tools from chest rewards. If you win global elixir, you can activate it to get 50% extra mining rewards for 24 hours. After 24 hours it will expire. Click on your global elixir. Just click on activate. So your elixir activated. It expire in 24 hours. So click on collect now. See there, when you click on collect you will receive extra 50% bonus. Now go to earn section. Here you can watch ads and earn high rewards. Now click on ad. Watch it for 10 seconds. Then go back. Now click on claim reward. In this way you can earn from watching ads. Your earnings depends on your level. As you watch ads regularly, your levels increases, your rewards also increases. For example, I am currently at level 5 and I earn 15 Nuggmi tokens per ad. To know level rewards, go here and watch your level rewards. Now go to menu, go to facet. You can claim this facet every 1 hour. Just click on start claim. Watch ad for 10 seconds. Then go back. Now click on claim reward. See there, I received 5 Nuggmi tokens, 5 experiences. Here you will receive 1 to 10 Nuggmi tokens. Now join their official Telegram channel from here. They oftenly share bonus codes from here. Before code expires, just copy it. Then go to website, go to menu, go to settings, click on claim voucher, paste code and click on claim. Then you will receive extra rewards. So in this multiple ways you can earn money from this platform. 10,000 tokens is equal to $1. So minimum withdraw is $2. Now I will show you my live withdrawal proof. Go to menu, go to cash out. Select your payment method. I am choosing Solana. So paste wallet address, amount maximum. See there, fee is $0.15. Now click on withdraw. Cash out submitted. Your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. Click on OK. See there, my withdrawal is pending. So when they send, I will show you my payment proof. Now see here, they sent payout. See there, status paid. I will show you in my wallet. See there, payout received to my wallet. Okay guys, thank you.